Look how dirty my hands are.
Wala mo yung i-post itong first vlog? Wala. Anak ko, Granny.
So how's the class, guys? It's very good.
Ah,
How's the class been?
it's quite kanang very lisod, very yupa to write, you know, like
So, Angel and I have got... What is the English of sipon?
runny nose.
And calf. Ako din i-post sa YouTube. Like, private track.
You have ano na ba na? That's good. Keep it going.
Maka-oily.
Hello, good evening po. Sige na.